So, g'day people, how you going? This is Glenn, and today we're going to talk about the race that stops the nation. That is the Melbourne Cup. So, if you're not too familiar with what the Melbourne Cup is, it's actually a horse race. It's the most popular one in Australia, and it's also very popular in the world. It takes place, I think, at Caulfield Racecourse. Yeah, but there is a myth about this actual horse race. They class it as the race that stops the nation. Well, that's generally not the case because a hell of a lot of people here don't really care about it. No, they do not. They do not. So, like me, I couldn't give two bleep about the horse race. I don't like horse racing. I like horses. Horses are awesome. Riding a horse is awesome. But horse racing, that's basically just about money. It's all about money, money, money. And I generally don't like gambling myself. So, the Melbourne Cup, it doesn't actually stop the nation. A lot of people still go to work. It's only a public holiday in Melbourne. So the rest of Victoria, no, it's not a public holiday. Only in Melbourne. A lot of companies do celebrate it, but a lot of companies are also stopping celebrating. Why is that? Because people, I have to go like that, because in Australia, we can't actually get guns that easily. It's very hard. You have to, like I work with Wildlife Victoria, and the only people who come out and shoot kangaroos have been run over by cars were people who actually own farms and had a rifle. So unless you know someone who has a farm and you could go out, well, they can shoot any kangaroos on farms. You can't actually get a gun. Yes, that's why I got that. Anyway, so yeah, they go like that. Oh, the horse fell over. Oh, sorry, the horse is pet food now. And they actually sell, they've been, I have no problems with selling horses as pet food, but they're doing it, they're trying to make it out that they're not selling it for pet food, but then they sell it for pet food. And it's pretty deceptive, so screw them. But that's not why I don't follow the horse race. I don't follow it because it's actually crap. But that is the myth about the horse race that stops the nation. It doesn't. Australia still goes on. Nothing stops the nation unless everyone dies. Then the animals have fun. No more people. Anyway, that's my little bit of a crazy rant. So if you're into horse racing, why don't you look up the Melbourne Cup, put a few bets on, and lose all your money. If you don't like horse racing, then just go on as if nothing special has happened, because nothing special has happened. Anyway, I hope this confuses the hell out of you, because that is what I like to do. Thank you and bye-bye.